Okay, this is what? A blender. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Kitchen blender. Okay. Oh, I think they have. Oh, this is a complete set. Mixer. And. Oh, and a toaster. Oh my, so cute. It looks like a baby. And only three. So the toaster, the mixer. That's it. The doll. And they have this one. Oh, stocking stoppers. Fashion designer. Oh, they have blower like that. Oh, this is cute. I think I need a battery. Oh my god, it's so cute. There's a french fries and burger. Oh, what is this? Anime doll. Do they have a boy? They have these. They have that. So cool. Oh. I need to get this. Oh, this is smooth. Look at it. And they have these. And they have these. I need to get one of each. They don't have the boy. This anime doll. What is Bat Playtime? Okay, let me see. They have Coco Melon. What is these? And they got these. I don't have a push cart. This is so cute. Okay, what else? And then squishy toy. Oh.